Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive deep into domain money app review. So to get started with a quick overview, domain money is a financial planning app designed for people who want professional, unbiased advice without paying traditional asset-based fee. Instead of charging based on how much you invest, domain offer fiat rate pricing for tailored financial plan created by a dedicated certified financial planner, which is CFP. It covers a wide range of financial needs from budgeting and retirement to equity compensation and tax strategy, making it a useful for tech professionals, business owners, and high earners. You can connect via mobile or desktop, and there is no minimum asset requirement to get started. The strength of domain money includes its flat fee, no commission model, which eliminates the conflict of interest. The one-on-one guidance from a CFP ensures your plan is tailored to your goal, not a generic template. It's especially helpful for people with complex situations like stock option or multiple income stream. The weakness includes the high initial cost plan to start around $2,500 with update and a coach costing extra. It's also planning on only platform, meaning they don't actually manage your investment. If you are looking for a full service wealth management or a lower cost DIY option, this might not be the right fit for you. Additionally, it's currently limited to US residents. And here's a quick bottom line. Domain money is the best for professionals who want expert personalized financial advice without the traditional fee tied to assets. So if you have a more complex financial picture and a value clear, tailored planning offer or over investment management, it's a great fit. But if you are just starting out or want an advisor to manage your money hands on, there are better suited options out there for you.